Okay guys, so a little different video for you guys today. This is part 4 of the Toyota Tacoma build, and it's not a build video. It's kind of going to be just like, I'm going to price reveal how much it cost us to, for this Tacoma. And I'm actually in it right now. You guys seen the interior's all clean. I mean, this truck's been running. I actually been daling the truck for now, and it's been running smoothly and perfect. So stay tuned. So what's going on right now is that I'm going on a boys camping trip. So gonna just record a little bit and then gonna price reveal and show you guys around the truck. So right after we're done, we recorded a little bit of the car wash. So let me roll that clip and then we're gonna jump into this video. We're gonna fast forward into the present time. So here's the truck. You guys seen, we put it all together. Here's the fender that we painted, matches pretty well. And then this thing just popped out. This is the thing I need to go fix right there. It needs a couple little things here and there, a couple clips, but overall looks pretty clean. Came to the car wash. Gonna give this thing a bath. So I'm almost there, but it's starting to rain. But I got everything loaded. I had to stop by Tractor Supply to get some tarp. So just in case, because the guys are out there, I think one of them has a camper, so they're good. But I don't know if I'm gonna be sleeping in the camper, but here it is, all loaded. Let's go. Finally arrived. It's raining. My truck tent that I got for, put this thing in there, but I got this truck tent for super cheap. You can't really see it, so dark. Tomorrow morning I'll show you guys, but this is the thing we have going on right here. So, but I'll swap over to the morning and when it's bright out and show you guys. Survived the night. That's the only water that gathered. There you go. So where are we at? We're in Priest Lake, Idaho. Very beautiful place here. Actually, if you guys like this place, a couple years ago before we even started shooting videos for cars, we shot a couple videos here where we made a sauna in the middle of the forest. If those videos are still up on my friend's channel, I'll link them down below. You guys could go check them out. The Tacoma build is finally over, and so I told you guys the reveal of the price that the Tacoma cost. So all said and done, the Tacoma cost about $2,500. So as it sits, about 2,500 bucks. I'd say not too bad. So if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to comment below. If you guys want us to do another truck or any other kind of builds, let us know, and we'll see you guys on the next build.